So, what is traditionally hidden inside a Christmas pudding?
A sock.
B, tooth.
Or C, a coin?
I'd be a bit scared if a tooth was in my pudding.
I am going with a coin.
Number 2, in which country is it traditional to eat a KFC for Christmas dinner?
A, Bhutan.
B, Japan.
C, Armenia.
I didn't even know that was a thing.
Oh, I wish it was the UK, to be honest.
That is Japan.
Japan? No way.
What is the best-selling Christmas single of all time?
A, White Christmas.
B, Merry Christmas, everybody.
Or Last Christmas Wham. I don't know, they're all bangers, aren't they?
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. Nah, let's stop. Okay, let's stop. See, I thought it'd be the Mariah Carey one.
What's the one with Mariah Carey?
I'm gonna guess White Christmas just because it's older.
No, that's not going to happen.
How does White Christmas go?
Round 2, quick fire questions. Can you name all the reindeer?
Yeah, definitely. It's
This is a tough one.
Okay, question 2 is how many ghosts are in A Christmas Carol?
What does that mean? I don't know what that means. No.
Phil?
No, I've never seen it.
Christmas past, Christmas present, and Christmas future.
No idea.
Jacob Marley.
Jacob? That makes no sense.
Question number 3. Before turkey came traditional food for the royal family to eat at Christmas, what did the royal family eat for Christmas?
Pheasant?
Lamb.
Chicken?
Goose or swan or something. I can imagine the Queen tucking down on a swan. It is swan.
Swan.
Round 3, movies.
How much money did Will Ferrell turn down for film Elf 2? Oh, he turned it down.
I would have loved if there was an elf too.
A, 29 million.
B, 34 mil.
C, $42 million.
29 million. A, $29 million. That's correct.
I don't know why he said no. I'd have done it. What is the full name of the character played by Macaulay Culkin in Home Alone?
A, Kevin McAllister.
B, Kevin McLean.
Or C, Kevin McDoodle?
A, Kevin McAllister.
Yes.
Number 3, who are the 2 leading males in The Holiday?
Is it A, Jack Black and Jude Law?
B, Seth Rogen and James Franco.
C, Kevin Hart and Dwayne Johnson.
So I'm going to go with A, Jack Black and Judy Law. Right, yes. Perfect.
Yes.
Boom.
Nice. Nice.
Finished. Merry Christmas.